Morning, 7:30 a.m. day number 2. Pretty wild night last night. It was raining heavy, the winds were howling, so I didn't sleep too well. I think my first time in a different place, just gradually getting my body to realize I'm on vacation and to unwind and relax. And it's like the rain, it was pouring, but at any rate, same kind of conditions today as yesterday, but I think the rain today is supposed to be very light, on and off and light. I'm just getting myself together, sitting out here on the screened-in porch, and we're going to be heading down the coastline to a place called Chimney Bluffs State Park. We're going to explore what's said to be the most rugged, wild coastline on Lake Ontario, and then from there we're going to check out a nearby town called Sodus Point, see what's there, and then we'll start making our way back along the coastline back to the little cabin here. So that's the plan for this morning. I just got a couple things more I got to do to tidy up, and then we'll be hitting the road. Alright, so we're in the small town of Wolcott, and I was heading to Chimney Bluffs State Park, and then I just drove over the road and I hear this noise, and yeah, there's like a huge waterfall. Not huge, like, but a pretty decent waterfall, and with all the rain we got, it's really flowing. So this is like a little township community park, and there was a kiosk there that said that this area dates back to like 1809, 1812. Once again, just a super cool spot, a small amphitheater, the waterfall, the roads just up there, little observation point up there, and a parking lot. And we just came down this little trail. But again, this is what a road trip is all about, a little spot like this. Okay, so we're at Chimney Bluffs State Park, and I'll show you the map. We're parked here, and what I want to do is walk out maybe to this point here, and then take this trail, the Bluff Trail. There's another parking area down here. Nice little picnic area, and look at that water out there. It looks like the Atlantic Ocean. Wow. So we are on the Bluff Trail, and I've been waiting for so many years to come out to this place. This was one of the main points I wanted to get to on this road trip. And we're on the Lake Bluff Trail, and quick left put us right down at the shoreline, and it's just surreal. So we'll be walking through this shoreline forest for a bit, and trail reports had indicated that this trail gets very muddy, but that's okay. Look at the beautiful green color of everything. That spring green, I call it. So vibrant, so full of life. Continuing along through this beautiful forest, The water right there is so close, but they want you to stay on the trail. These cliffs are known to erode suddenly, so they are potentially dangerous, so you should stay away from the edge. You know it's tempting, but I'm trying to follow the rules here. This is a beautiful forest walk though, honestly. We've been climbing uphill for a good little bit here. I say we climbed at least 100, 150 feet. So that's a good sign. We're probably approaching the bluffs pretty soon. Coming out to what looks like a really open and impressive view of the formations here at Chimney Bluffs. Oh wow, just incredible. Looks like something almost from the Rocky Mountains. Jagged peaks there, eroded over thousands and thousands of years. Some things you wait in life so long, but man, is it worth the wait? Sometimes the longer you wait, it makes it even more satisfying. Oh man, this is just so cool. Water everywhere, wild formations everywhere. So even if these cliffs never existed, just this area of wetlands besides the trail, and I think what it is the type of soil. It's like a clay almost, and it doesn't probably absorb water very well, creating all these little swamps full of different plant habitats. Wow, what a great viewpoint. Look at that, how beautiful. And look at the sky out towards Sodus Point, lightening up just a bit. Man, unbelievable. You know, it's moments like this, places like this, I feel so blessed and so fortunate to be here, to get to see this in my lifetime. It gets me a little choked up. And then I think about how I spend 90% of my life doing shit I don't want to do, and then 10% of my life here doing and seeing this. I don't know, it just got my mind in a place right now. I'm very happy, believe me, don't get me wrong. We're coming down these steps now to another parking area, and I just want to see if I can walk along the shoreline from here or not. I've heard conflicting things on whether you can or not, so we'll check that out before we head back. All right, so we're in the Sodus Point lighthouse that was built in 1870. I believe this is the second lighthouse here. And now there's another lighthouse, a newer one that's built out closer to the water. But we're in the museum here and we're just checking things out. And we're going to be able to go to the top of the light also, so that'll be really cool. Here we go, up to the top of the original lighthouse. Yeah, I just love this kind of stuff. Oh, it actually goes up further than you think. I keep looking up and it just keeps going. And here it is. The top of the lighthouse. Here's the light right behind me. So apparently a long time ago, the original channel was like right off the, was right down here instead of where it is today. You can see the new lighthouse all the way out there. And beyond that you can see Chimney, well, you can see some bluffs. I don't know if that's Chimney Bluffs. Wind rattling around in here. I'll look at the village of Sodus. Super awesome. Look at that view over Lake Ontario. Wow. Well, that was a nice little look at the Sodus Point lighthouse. Really nice people working in there. And now we're gonna go check out the Sodus Point outer lighthouse, which we got to walk out to. It's like out on the lake on like some kind of like jetty or something. We'll drive through town to get there, but it's not that far. You can see it's only about 1/8 of a mile away. So. .4 p.m. and we have arrived back at our home for the evening here on the hideaway at Mexico Bay. The last place you seen me at was Sodus Point Park. We walked out to the lighthouse. It was so windy I didn't even bother talking because I knew the audio would be all messed up. But that was just awesome. I really love that town of Sodus Point. The 2 lighthouses, the park, the town had some character. But believe it or not, the sun, I can't say that it has come out, but the skies have cleared a little bit. So I am going to take the time to sit out on the little patio there by the water for as long as I can, because the forecast is still saying rain tonight and then clearing tomorrow. But at least I can actually see across the water now. I can see land and stuff, so it's a lot better than it was yesterday. And overall, it's been a better forecast than was predicted. So I'm a happy guy. That's all I can tell you.